Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we'll explore how to use Taskade AI for task management. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to visit the website. To get started, go to the website from the link provided and click on Sign up for free. Choose your use case and roles. Now, create a workspace and choose a color scheme. Click on Continue and then invite your teammates by filling in their email addresses. You can also copy the provided link and send it to your teammates. Taskade is available on several devices, and you can also download Taskade or use it as an extension. Click on Get Started. Now, in the text box, fill in the prompt for your required task or project. The AI will create a personalized project for you. Click on Create Project to finalize and add it as a project in your account. Your created project is properly structured and editable. If you encounter a problem or get stuck, you can ask Taskade AI via the text box in the side panel or use pre-made prompts and edit them accordingly. The AI will provide thorough and helpful solutions for your problem. You can copy the solution and add it to your project. Click on the icon at the top left to open the sidebar. In the Workspace panel, you can see all your projects. You can even create more workspaces if needed. Click on the My Tasks icon to see all the assigned tasks. Taskade also has an inbuilt calendar with all your tasks labeled. In this panel, you can see all the projects that are shared with you. Thank you for watching our tutorial on using Taskade AI. Hope to see you again.